Hey, Eric here from AHA. Today I get to show you how to create business process diagrams in AHA Whiteboards. Let's take a look. Okay, here we are in a whiteboard, in AHA Whiteboards. You can see a glorious diagram here of the different support tiers that we can escalate to, and it's built on something called BPMN objects. That stands for Business Process Model and Notation, if you're not familiar. It's a language that helps you build these really sophisticated diagrams without losing your audience's ability to understand what's going on at a glance. It's actually pretty interesting. You can see the different subcategories here. These are events, activities, gateways, data, flows, and swim lanes. And if you're building this from scratch, I like to pin this menu since I'm usually adding a lot of different objects at once. Here we go, adding a couple in here. If you add the wrong object to the right place, you can also click in here and choose a different object from the same subcategory there. And then because these are shapes in AHA Whiteboards, I can duplicate them or connect them, annotate them, whatever needs to happen. This thing I just added doesn't make a lot of sense. This one does, right? And because we're in a whiteboard, we can also do all that really neat real-time collaboration and annotation stuff. Here's an annotation shape. Here's a comment I left expressing praise. You can add your own expressing improvements or changes you'd want to make. Once this is done, I can also publish it to a shared web page or share it in an internal knowledge base so I can align everyone around the same process, which really helps us move forward towards the same goals. And that's it. These are BPMN shapes. They're a great way to document complex things in a standardized way and then move forward joyously without any confusion. Enjoy.